Look at this pot of dal curry. It's done in only 25 minutes. I'll show you tips to make this super easy lentil curry in just 25 minutes, including preparation and washing time. I even made roti canai in between all that. So keep on watching to find out how I did it and for a trip to a local restaurant. I'm at the local supermarket. At the back of me is the dry goods section. I'm here to find a specific type of lentil that cooks super fast. We are not getting Australian lentil or Indian lentil. This is what we're looking for, Mysore dal. It's orange in color and because it's much smaller, it breaks down in just 15 minutes. We're also getting this special mixed herbs. I'll tell you more about this later. Next, we are getting some rainbow-colored vegetables. Brown purple brinjal, soft red tomatoes, fresh green chili, red onions, and potatoes. And I'm also getting frozen roti canai. Okay, now it's time to pay and go home. We are back at my tropical edible garden. Today we'll be getting only one herb. It's right at the back of me. Underneath the curry plant, you can see a lot of babies. There. I'm getting 2 stalks of curry leaves. We have a brinjal too, but it's too small. It's even shorter than my pinky. Hello, it's Sarah from New Malaysian Kitchen. This is my family kitchen where my mom and I cook every day. These are all the ingredients that we need for this easy lentil curry. I divided it into 3 parts. Mixed herbs, onion, curry leaves with oil, the vegetables, the tomato, potato, brinjal, green chili, garlic, the water and the dal. Lastly, the 3rd part is the seasoning, chili powder, turmeric powder, and sea salt. I'll get all the spices and vegetables ready in 5 minutes. We'll need 3/4 cups of dal, rinse it a few times, chop it into small pieces, cut it into half first. Only then I remove the outer layer. It's much easier. Is it until here I leave about half a cm so that it's still whole. I cut it. So put it all in here. Okay, onion is done. Curry leaves. We need 1 teaspoon of this mixed herbs. This is a common mixed herbs used in Malaysian curry. A combination of a few things: cumin, fennel, fenugreek, and mustard seeds. Okay, first part is done. Now we're going to cut all these vegetables into small pieces. This potato, I'm not going to peel it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub it clean. Just use your fingers, you don't need anything special. We're going to cut it into die size. Cut it like this. Tomato, just cut it into half. We're going to cut our brinjal into finger size. I'll cut away the top. We need half a bulb of garlic. I'll peel it, then I'll smash it, cut away the top, and then the skin will come out easily. These 2 green chilies, I'm not going to deseed. I will just simply chop it up because you are not using the dried chilies already. So we will need the seed to give it a bit of heat. Now that I've got all the ingredients prepared, it's time to cook. Turn on the stove, put 1.5 tablespoons of oil, put in all these spices, fry until the onions are brown at the edges. We prepared all the ingredients in 5 minutes. The next 5 minutes we're going to fry this. So that's already 10 minutes, then we have 15 minutes more to cook all this. This is the spice that I use. But if you don't have this mixed spice, you can use mustard seeds. dal. Put it in. 3 cups of water. Cover it. Now, bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. What we're going to do in the 15 minutes, we're not going to waste any time, we're going to clean this up. Done washing, so just put it at the side, get back to cooking. It's not boiling yet. When it boils, I'll bring it to simmer. It's boiling. Now it's like that. I'm gonna close it, okay, and let it simmer. We even have time to make roti canai. Okay, another 10 more minutes. Back to our roti canai. This pan. We're gonna cook this on low fire. I think it's forming already. It's puffing up. Turn it around just to check, to make sure that it's not burnt. Okay, I think the color is quite good. Flip it. Look at this. It's brown nicely. I put a bit of butter in this roti so this will taste better than the other one. It's puffing up. Take out the next roti. Look at this. Next, we're going to season our pot of dal curry. We will need 2 teaspoons of salt and then half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it up. The color is so much more better now. Okay, we are done. Easy lentil curry is done in only 25 minutes. We will eat our roti canai with teh tarik. Mine is with butter. Okay. 咪，我用手都冇，我用手都冇。咪，can you use hands?
I think I can.
She prefers to use cutlery. Mommy, can you tell the camera to subscribe? Why? Why are you laughing?
It's nice to eat. That's right.
Very good, Mommy. Louder, louder.
It's very nice to eat. Please subscribe.
Thank you. I'll bring you to the Mamak near my home to show you how dal curry looks like in Malaysia. It's just 2 minutes walk away. Just over there. I'm normally here to get roti canai and dal. Hello! Lama tak jumpa. She's making roti canai. We're gonna put some curry onto toasted.
Fish curry,
Fish curry.
chicken curry,
They have all sorts of curries. Fish head curry. But this is Mamak style. Remember I made this? Dal curry yang mana? Dal curry. Dal. Ooh, can you see the lentil? The curries are here. This is the dal curry. Okay. It's more watery. At home, I prefer it thicker. The big pot of dal and then freeze it. How my frozen dal looks like. Longer time to disintegrate. It needs a lot of water. So if you want to cook fast, don't get this. Tell my YouTube friends why you always tell me to remove the seeds.
It's very spicy and then it's not easy to digest. So it's better to remove some of it.
Okay.